Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and your current password. This prevents permission errors later. Once done, back up any personal files to OneDrive or an external drive so you can revert if needed. Now, open Start, choose Settings, then Accounts and your info. This panel is where you view account type and begin changing identity or sign-in options. Make sure to keep your phone nearby for verification codes if two-step is enabled. You next decide whether to switch to a Microsoft account or use a local account. Microsoft syncs settings across devices, while a local account keeps data off the cloud. Go to Family and Other Users to add a new user or change account type. Select the account and choose Change Account Type to set Admin or Standard. Make sure to update sign-in options. Add a PIN or Windows Hello for convenience and security, and confirm recovery email or phone settings. You finish by signing out and signing back in to verify the new settings took effect. This confirms permissions and sync. If profile data appears missing, restore files from your OneDrive or external backup and check the original user folder under C/users. If locked out or changes fail, enable the built-in administrator in safe mode or use another admin account to fix permissions. This recovery step resolves most access problems without reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.